Remove the screws on both sides of the pump. Gently hit the shaft out just enough so that the O-ring is exposed. Use a pick tool to remove the O-ring. Replace the O-ring and apply lubrication to protect it. We use white lithium grease. Do the same for the opposite side. Gently hit the shaft back into position. Screw the shaft into place on both sides. That is all you need to do to replace the O-rings.